So there's a time for everything. At lahat ng ginagawa natin, may hangganan. So, as we all usually say, enjoy life. Habang may buhay, habang huminga pa tayo, enjoy natin ang life natin. But it's up to us on how we enjoy our lives. So, we are different kinds of people from different backgrounds and culture, different upbringings. But we have our own different style, no? Paano natin dalahin yung buhay natin. So now we are enjoying our lives. And ito, platform na to, sabihin nyo sinungaling ako, pero totoo, lahat tayo nag-i-enjoy dito. Lahat tayo naging masaya dito. But it's an up to us on paano natin gawin